Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove a background from an image using Affinity. So this is useful if you want to cut a subject out of a picture so that you can use it in something like a thumbnail, or maybe you want to replace it. How I do this is first I start by loading my image into the program and heading over to the retouching studio. Once I'm here, I'm going to select my object selection tool and then making sure that the proper layer is selected. It's going to usually take a few seconds to analyze your image the first time you click on this tool. But as you can see, as I hover over the image, it shows me what is going to be selected as I mouse over certain parts. So let's say I want to select my subject. I'm going to click on this. And after a few seconds, as you can see, it has been properly selected. Now I'm going to invert my selection by clicking this button right here at the top. And then I'm just going to hit delete on my keyboard. And just like that, the subject has been isolated from the background. So now if I hit Control D on my keyboard, I should be able to unselect the selection. And as you can see, here is the finished product. So now I can change the background. I can also move this around. I can insert another picture that I want to insert this particular object into. And it's really, really that easy. The only thing you have to make sure is you want to make sure that your machine learning tools are activated, but they're usually, and you can do so completely for free in the settings. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.